Okay, so this is on the spoke repair. I have to pop this tire off. Right there, we've got the bead. Let's see if we can get underneath this bead here. Boom. Underneath that bead. Get a pretty good start on it. Here we go. There. You can see once that bead is popped, it gets easier. This has been a great tire. I've only had a rear brake for the last 6-7 months, maybe longer, and I have spotted the tire, and it's still a good tire, and I'm probably going to use it again. But I've got something different I want to try on. This is a very hard tire, very firm. Firm is nice because a firm tire costs a little less energy. We'll go ahead and pop this tube off here. We got one more stage, so I want to pull out the inner tube at this point to minimize puncturing it. So I'll flip this up here. There's no inner tube in this spot now, so I'm going to flip this over the rim by lifting and flipping down, and you can see right there I passed the rim, and once you come to a certain point it just kind of falls off. So there you can see the tire has broken its seal, its speed, and it's pretty much free except for the tube here is slightly stuck. So there's that. The goal today is this spoke here. It needs to come through here.